Namaskara everyone, welcome to Beyond. Now that you have decided you have to fix your life and you have your priorities set right and a routine that you can stick to. If you haven't built a routine yet, I have a video for you. Go check that out first and come back. Because somewhere along the way, we all lose motivation. Why? Because the results we expected are nowhere to be seen. So, what do we do in such situations? Do I just give up? No. By the end of this video, you will have answers to what you could fall back to when there is no motivation left. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. So, let's get this straight. Motivation is not going to last forever. Stop expecting it to last because it has done its job, and that is for you to get started. Some days you'll wake up feeling extremely interested in pursuing your goals. You're locked in. But some other days you feel like even spending those 5 minutes is dreadful. So, in these situations, you need something bigger than your motivation to keep you going. And that is your reason. The reason why you got started in the first place. Let's say, for example, your goal was to lose weight. Why did you want to do it in the first place? And everybody's reason is different. Find yours. It could have been having more strength or feeling more confident, looking absolutely stunning. Anything for that matter, that reason will keep you going. When you feel like not working out today, ask yourself, does this goal still matter to me? And if the answer is yes, maybe today you don't have to show up 100%, just do a 10% of it. What this does is it keeps you consistent. And why does this matter? Because when the results are not there yet, you know what is changing? You. You are changing and you're not able to notice that progress just yet. And here's the tricky part. As beginners, we tend to measure progress by the terms of results. Have I lost that weight yet? Have I gotten a job? Have I scored the target marks? Or has the numbers even increased? But we fail to notice that 1 month ago, I was not even clear on what I wanted, and now I have the clarity. Or we also even miss to notice that I would stay consistent only for a week. Now I'm able to stay consistent for more than a month. That is progress. So remember, consistency does not really mean that you don't miss a day. It mostly means even if you miss a day or two, you know how to come back and you know your strongest reason as to why you got started. So instead of just focusing on have I reached that goal yet, you have to focus on who you are becoming along the way. And this is something we'll be talking about in our next video, where we are focusing on identity shift, one of the most powerful ways as to how you can reach that dream version of who you are. I'm going to see you guys in the next week with another video. So until then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.